Hello everyone, this is me, Sharon. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this rose. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and please follow me in all my social media accounts. Thank you so much! Alright, so before we start the project, gumawa ako ng isang rose and I have used a multicolored yarn. Hindi siya gradient kasi nagre-repeat lang yung color niya. Nagre-fade and then nagda-darken. This is a 3-ply. If you're gonna buy Monaco mercerized for the first time, marami na sa Shopee nito. I bought this on Shopee. And makikita nyo, meron nakalagay dito na 5-ply. So, ito naman ang mas makapal ng konti sa the usual 3-ply crochet yarn. And these ones are all 100% cotton. So, yan, makikita mo 5-ply. Pero, pag wala nakalagay na 5-ply, like this one, or this yarn na gagamitin ko for today, this is blue mercerized pero wala nakalagay na 5-ply. Ibig sabihin, this is a 3-ply yarn. So this is what we're going to use today. And you can use 5-ply. Slightly bigger lang siya sa mga project na gagawin natin. So let's start. Okay, so for this project, I'll be using 2mm crochet hook. This one is Tulip, and if you'd like to buy this Tulip on Shopee, I will add the link in the description box. I bought this one on Facebook page, Oh My Yarn Shop. So I bought this for 500 pesos each. Make singles then, and you can also buy a set. So now let's start. If you don't have the 5-ply, you can use any crochet thread that you like. Sometimes it comes in the label, the recommended hook size for the project. This is simply to guide you on which yarn or which hook size is best to use with the specific yarn that you have chosen. So if you're gonna use a thicker yarn, of course there's a compatible hook with that, and you can use that instead of the smaller hook that I'm using. But if you're gonna use the same yarn weight and the same hook, you will end up with the same size of the project that I'm making. So now we're gonna start, and we're going to chain 36. So I'm going to make a slip knot. This is how I make a slip knot. And then we're gonna chain 36. Okay, so once you have 36 chains, so the next step is we're going to add 3 more chains. And then we're gonna count another chain 2 for the chain space, and into that 6th stitch dito. That is where we're gonna work our single crochets. And then we're gonna repeat that by chaining 3. We're going to skip 2 chains, and then on the 3rd we're gonna work a single crochet. So we're going to be repeating that by chaining 3, skip 2 chains, and then work a single crochet into every 3rd stitch. So we're going to repeat that until we get to the end of this row. Okay, so by the end of this round, you should have 3 remaining stitches left. And then on the last chain, that is where you're gonna work your last stitch, which is the single crochet. So you have 3, 6, 9, 12 in total. And then we're going to turn. This time we're going to make petals. We're going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so next is we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna do triple crochet 9 times. We're going to work 9 unfinished treble. After that, we're now going to chain 1. We're going to do a this one and then to the second. We're gonna work 1, and then into the next one. We're gonna work 2, 3, and then 4. And then we chain 2, and to the same stitch, we're gonna work 1 more single crochet, and then we continue working 1 single crochet to each of the next 4. And then we're going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then into the same chain 3 space. Working the same petal as what we did in the first one. So we're going to continue with chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna work 9 treble, but we're not gonna finish it. We will finish it until we have 9 treble. Alright, so once you have 9 trebles that are unfinished, we're going to do the again the return pass like we're doing the Tunisian technique. So we're going to chain 1 first, and then we're going to pull through 2 at a time. After yarning over. So we're going to do that until we have the last 2 loops. And then finally go through 2 loops until you reach the last one. So into the second stitch, that is where we're gonna do our first single crochet, next 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to chain 2, and then work 1 more single crochet into the same stitch, and then work 1 single crochet into each of the next 4. And once done, we're just going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna work a single crochet into the same chain 3 space. So now we're just going to repeat by working a slip stitch and then repeat the pattern for the next petal. So we're gonna do that in all of the chain 3 spaces until we get to the last one. Alright, so after finishing the last petal, after working the last stitch, which is the slip stitch, the next step would be we're just going to chain 1, and then we're gonna leave a long tail leave a long yarn so we can sew the petals together to form the flower. This is what it looks like now. So if you have made the rose using the 2mm crochet hook, you're gonna end up with this size, how you make the rose. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like. Comment down below for some more requests that you'd like to see on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.